So it says, what value for n minus 1, or let me back up. What value of n is the absolute value of n minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0? In other words, what value of n makes this statement true? So those are my absolute value brackets. Plus 1 equals 0. So here's the problem. If I try to solve for n, I'm going to minus 1 from both sides because I got to get stuff away from the letter n. So I end up with n minus 1, the absolute value of that, is equal to negative 1. Now, if I want to, let's let x equal n minus 1. So if I do that, whatever I have in the absolute value bracket, whether it's positive or negative, what do we know about absolute value brackets? They have to always be positive. So no matter what value x is, it will always be positive. So these cannot exist, right? It can't equal a negative 1, no matter what. It can't equal a negative number, period. So then the answer is D. There is no value for n because whether n is positive or negative, the only thing that might work is 0, but 0 is not a negative number. So there's no way that it will ever equal negative 1, ever. Yeah.